Hi, my name is Doug and I love ghee. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make cannabis-infused ghee using this Magical Butter machine. This golden ghee has all of its milk solids and impurities removed, so it's ready to go right into your MB2E. Made from 100% pure butter fat, Magical Ghee is gluten-free, non-GMO, and all-natural. Plus, it's shelf-stable. It has no water and almost no lactose, so it makes it easier for lipid-soluble cannabinoids to bind to it. This means there's never been a better butter for your culinary extractions. All you gotta do is add your decarboxylated herbs, followed by the Magical Ghee. Set your temperature and time, and the microprocessor-controlled head unit is going to chop, stir, and grind your herbs into the perfect infusion. Dispensary edibles can be costly and misleading. Plus, you have no idea what is in there. If you make it yourself at home, you control everything and get exactly what you want. Whether you're putting cannabis into sweet treats or your favorite feasts, Magical Butter has everything you need to make edibles at home. Go to MagicalButter.com today